When you wish to execute a search from the command line using a Hebrew version, BibleWorks offers several tools to help you to type in Hebrew on the command line. You'll likely wish to search for a Hebrew lemma. To search for a Hebrew lemma, you should set your search version to a Hebrew morphology version. Click on the command line and type in WTM, and then hit enter. Now type a period, and if you wish to search for the word bara, type in B-R-A. The BibleWorks keyboard for Hebrew intuitively seeks to match the same sounding English letter for the Hebrew letter for each key. But as you're learning to work with BibleWorks, you may want to view a Hebrew keyboard map. If you go to Tools on the main menu, then Interface Settings, and BibleWorks Keyboard, the BibleWorks keyboard will be displayed. Choose your language, choose Hebrew, and the BibleWorks keyboard displays the appropriate keys to type in Hebrew letters. You can use the BibleWorks keyboard to click to type in letters on the command line if you wish to do so. First click in the command line and enter a period for an AND search. Then if you wish to search for bara, type the letters for bara. And then hit enter to execute your search. Opening the BibleWorks keyboard can also be helpful for a quick check of which letters to type from your keyboard. If you hold down the Shift key while using the BibleWorks keyboard, you can find additional characters as well, such as additional accents or letters with the dagesh. You can also go to Help on the main menu, click on BibleWorks Help Contents, and then in the Frequently Used Links, click on the BibleWorks Hebrew keyboard. This will display the BibleWorks Hebrew keyboard for reference as well.